Let us now look at Section 1, Pre-Work. In this section, we will look at how you can create a safe and controlled environment in a work bay. Number 1, plan and prepare. Before attempting any work on high-voltage BEVs, you must ensure that you are a qualified BEV technician with the necessary training and certifications. This typically involves completing specialized training programs and obtaining certifications that demonstrate your competence in working with high-voltage systems. Reviewing the specific manufacturer's documentation for the BEV model you will work on is essential as they differ from manufacturer to manufacturer. Review service manuals, safety guidelines, wiring diagrams, and technical bulletins to ensure that work on high-voltage BEVs is conducted safely and efficiently. Number 2, set up work bay. A cluttered work bay increases the risk of accidents. Tools, equipment, or debris left around can become trip hazards or lead to accidental contact with electrical components. An organized workspace will allow you to locate tools and equipment quickly, reducing downtime and improving overall work efficiency. High-voltage BEV components are sensitive and expensive. Removing unnecessary items reduces the risk of accidental damage during repairs or maintenance. Labeling the work bay as a high-voltage zone is a visual reminder to all nearby personnel that electrical hazards are present. This awareness encourages everyone to exercise caution and adhere to safety protocols. Use high-voltage safety barriers to isolate the work area from bystanders if applicable. By cordoning off the area, you restrict access to authorized personnel with the necessary training and qualifications. This prevents unauthorized individuals from entering the potentially hazardous work bay. Ensure that evacuation routes remain unobstructed throughout the entire process. Number 3, secure the work bay and vehicle keys. The keys to the BEV work bay, tool cabinet or toolbox, vehicle or digital key, diagnostic equipment, and any other keys must be properly managed and securely stored. Only authorized personnel should have access to the key storage area. Implement a sign-in and sign-out system that records who took a key when it was taken and when it is expected to be returned. This system helps track key usage and accountability. This helps maintain the security of the work environment, protect valuable tools and equipment, and prevent unauthorized access to BEV components and vehicles. Additionally, it is essential to have procedures for handling lost keys and securely storing them when not in use. The recommended distance is to store the keys at least 10 feet away from the vehicle. Always refer to the manufacturer's recommendations. Number 4, wear personal protective equipment. The purpose of wearing PPE is to create multiple layers of protection against potential hazards. Always ensure your PPE is in good condition, correctly fitted and compliant with relevant safety standards. Put on the required PPE, including safety glasses, insulated gloves, arc flash clothing, safety helmet, safety boots, and any other specific gear mandated by the vehicle manufacturer for your vehicle and work bay. Regular inspections and maintenance of PPE are essential to guarantee its effectiveness in safeguarding you from potential dangers. Number 5, check tools and equipment. Before each use, thoroughly inspect all tools and equipment you intend to use. Ensure any specialized tools designed for electrical work on BEVs are properly insulated. Insulation helps prevent electrical conductivity and the risk of electrical shock. Look for any insulation damage or wear signs, such as exposed conductive parts. Some BEV brands and models may require specialized tools. These tools should be in excellent condition and used according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Number 6, verify voltage. Voltage verification is a critical safety step to ensure the high-voltage system is de-energized and safe to work on. Choose a voltage tester that is appropriate for the voltage level of the high-voltage system you will be working on. The voltage tester should be rated for the highest voltage you may encounter. Before attempting any work on the high-voltage system, use the voltage tester to confirm that the system is de-energized. This means there should be no electrical potential in the circuits you will be working on. Always follow the manufacturer's guidelines and best practices for voltage testing and ensure the voltage tester is properly maintained and calibrated for accurate readings. Number 7, implement lockout or tagout. If applicable, implement lockout or tagout procedures to isolate and de-energize the BEV's high-voltage system. Lockout or tagout is a safety procedure to prevent machinery or equipment's unexpected energization or startup while technicians perform service or maintenance. Place the lockout devices, such as padlocks or lockout tags, on the power sources and control mechanisms deactivated during the shutdown. Lockout devices should prevent the re-energization of the high-voltage system by physically blocking switches, breakers, or connectors. Attach lockout tags to the lockout devices. These tags provide information about the maintenance or repair work, the personnel responsible, and contact information. Follow manufacturer-specific instructions for safe shutdown. Number 8 is access to high-voltage components. Consult the manufacturer's documentation, including service manuals and safety guidelines, to understand the procedures and precautions for accessing high-voltage components. Identify the panels or covers that need removal. Before removing any panels or covers, confirm that the high-voltage system is de-energized using a Cat3 digital multimeter. Follow a methodical process for removing panels or covers by checking the manufacturer's documentation. Once you have removed the necessary panels or covers, follow the manufacturer's guidelines for accessing the high-voltage components. This may involve additional steps, such as removing insulation barriers or protective covers. Store the removed panels or covers safely and securely within the work area. Keeping them organized ensures that they can be easily reinstalled later.